I hope you people are doing so well. Thanks for being here. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you some amazing pallet wood project and the art ideas from scrap wood that will sell like a hot cake, and you can earn a handsome amount of money by selling this project. So let's get started and keep watching. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. In recent years, the use of pallet wood has gained significant popularity among the do-it-by-yourself enthusiast, craftsman, and the artist. Pallets, which are often discarded after use, can be repurposed and transformed into a unique and aesthetically appealing creation. Whether you are looking to earn some extra income or simply want to include in a creative outlet, here are some pallet wood projects and the art ideas that are highly demand and sell like a hot cake. So keep watching and keep subscribing our channel. Pallet wood is an excellent material for crafting rustic style furniture pieces. From coffee table to a bookshelf to a bed frame or outdoor benches, the weather and the distressed look of a pallet wood adds character and the charms to any space. People are often drawn to the warmth and the aesthetically of these handmade creations, making them a highly demand and sought after item in the market. The pallet wood lends itself perfectly to a wall art and a decor. By cutting a arranging pallet slat into a various shapes and sizes, you can create a stunning wall hanging, picture frame, and the mirrors. Incorporating elements like stenciled quotes, painted design, and even attaching a mason jars to the rustic vase holder and can add a personalized touch. These pieces are not only visually appealing but also make for a great conversation started, making them a hit among the buyers. The versatility and durability of pallet wood make it ideal for the outdoor project, particularly garden planter. With the little creativity, you can transform your old pallet wood into a beautiful planter that are perfect for the flowers, herbs, and even a small vegetables. People who enjoy a garden or want to bring a touch of nature to their living spaces are often willing to invest in these unique and eco-friendly creations. The pallet wood shelving unit are both functional and decorative, making them highly desirable among the homeowners. From kitchen spices rack to the bathroom shelving or living room display unit, pallet wood can be transformed into a stylish storage solution. The natural texture and the color of the variation of the wood enhance the overall aesthetic appeal, allowing these shelving unit to stand out in any room. Wine enthusiast and the homeowner like it very crazily and create a cozy, entertaining space. Often seek out pallet wood wine rack in the bars. By repurposing your old pallet wood, you can design elegant wine storage system and even build a full-fledged home bar with the shelving and elegant wine storage system. The rustic charm of a pallet would add a touch of sophistication to these pieces, making them highly marketable. The demand of pet furniture and the accessories has been rising day by day, and the pallet wood can provide a perfect solution for dog beds, cat scratching post, or the food bowls standing in the toy storage. There are endless possibilities for creating unique and functional pieces of pet. Owners are often willing to invest in a self-crafted, well-crafted, handmade item that cater of their furry friend need while adding a style to their home. Pallet wood signed with a personalized message or the quotes have become increasingly popular in home decor by cutting pallet into a various shapes and the sizes, sanding them down and adding a painted or the evergreen design. You can create a customized sign or a wedding, birthday or a home entrance. The rustic charm and the sensational value associated with these pieces make them highly sought after a time. In conclusion, pallet wood project and the art ideas are scrap have become increasingly popular in the market for furniture to the wall decor to the garden planters and the furniture. There is a wide range of opportunity to showcase your creativity and the craftsmanship by tapping into the demand for unique and the eco-friendly products. You can create pallet wood creation that will sell like a hot cake and bring joy to a buyers seeking one of a kind pieces of their homes or as a gift. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much. In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sort of furniture from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chair, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom for a rustic and functional touch. Create your own network by using pallet wood as the canvas, paint or stencil a design onto a wood for a one of a kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and stylish pieces. Remember to properly prepare and treat the pallet wood before using it for any objects, as it may have been treated with chemicals that can be harmful for your health. Here are some additional ideas for you reusing pallet wood. Create a functional and the stylish coat rack. You can also make a beautiful picture frame with it. Use a pallet wood to create a unique and the rustic picture frame. Cut the wood to size and add a backing glass and the hanging hardware. Use pallet wood to create a base of a table lamp. stain and paint or the wood, and add a lamp kit for a unique and the lighting option. Create customer mirror frame using pallet wood. Cut the wood to size and attach to the mirror with glue or the hardware. Use pallet wood to create a room divider for an open concept living room. Cut the wood size and attach with hinge